This is my quick review about the Luminar Neo, the most talked about photo editing tool. So if you are a professional photographer or someone who just want to enhance their photo, then this AI tool promises to make your photo editing fast, smart, and even more creative. So is it worth the hype? Let's find it out whether it's worth spending your time and money on. So what is Luminar Neo? These are AI-powered software for photo editing by Skylum, which combines traditional editing and also AI tools in order to facilitate simple replacements to complex edits. So like for example, Sky AI that replaces your sky, and also generative AI tools like removing backgrounds and also elements in your photo. This AI tool makes photo editing more seamless. So what are some of the key features of the Luminar Neo? So one of the key features is the AI tools like Sky AI, which replaces your sky in seconds, and also Enhance AI, which helps you improve your photo in just one slider. Another key feature is the generative AI tools like Gen Swap, which allows you to remove an element and replace it with another element in your photo. For example, replacing a car with a sports car. We also have Gen Erase, which allows you to remove unwanted objects and fill it seamlessly in your photos. Also, we have the Gen Expand, which allows you to expand your photo scene beyond the original boundaries. And lastly, we have the Background Remover, which allows you to remove background in any photo. And this helps especially if you are selling products online, you are trying to make product photos, or even you are a graphic designer, then this is the best tool that will help you remove background. So in terms of comparison with Lightroom, we will be focusing on three major things. That is the ease of use. The Luminar Neo is more easier to use, unlike the Lightroom, which requires you to be more skilled. You'll spend more time learning skills on how to utilize the Lightroom software. But with the help of AI tools in Luminar Neo, anyone can get started with photo editing. So it's beginner friendly. Also in terms of price, Luminar Neo offer a one-time payment and also a subscription, unlike Lightroom, which only offers subscription, and it's more cheaper for Luminar Neo. Last but not least, creativity. Luminar Neo generative AI tools makes this photo editing tool the best in terms of creativity, because you will utilize the AI tools to make your photo look more stunning, which is not available in Lightroom. Let's now talk about pricing and discount. So for Luminar Neo, they are currently offering an 81% discount. No AI tool offers such a discount. So if you want to have access to the Luminar Neo, you can check out the link in the description for a discount. And last but not least, this is my honest opinion about the Luminar Neo. Especially if you are just a beginner, this is the best photo editing tool because it has combined AI tools, making it easier to use, unlike other photo editing tools like Lightroom and Photoshop, which requires you to learn more complex photo editing skills. So if you want to start photo editing, I'll recommend you check out the Luminar Neo because it makes photo editing more seamless and easy. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more videos about Luminar Neo, comparison with other tools, so that you can make the right decision on which tool to use in photo editing.